Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. Today, we're talking about stacking Bitcoin on a budget. You don't need to be rich or buy a whole Bitcoin to get started. Let's dive into how you can secure your financial future with even the smallest amount of savings. Why assets build wealth. The rich stay rich because they own assets. Things like real estate, stock, and now Bitcoin. In a world where our money constantly loses its value due to inflation, assets grow in value over time, protecting your wealth and giving you something to fall back on. The surest way to stay poor: spend everything you make, own nothing that grows in value. That's the trap of living paycheck to paycheck. Why Bitcoin is revolutionary. Bitcoin changes everything. Unlike real estate or stocks, which often require large investments up front, Bitcoin is divisible. You can buy as little as a few dollars worth and still own a piece of this revolutionary technology. Every Satoshi you stack today is digital ownership in the world's new economy. It's an asset that doesn't just protect your wealth, it grows it. You might think, what's the point of buying $5 or $10 worth of Bitcoin? But the truth is, every dollar you save in Bitcoin today is one day you're putting yourself ahead of 99% of people who haven't adopted this technology yet. The price of Bitcoin might seem high today, but remember, it's still early. As adoption grows, the value of what you own increases exponentially. The key is to start small and stay consistent. Here's how you can get started even on a tight budget. Dollar cost averaging. Set aside a small amount each week, $5, $10, $20, whatever you can afford. Consistency is more important than the amount. Use tools that make it easy. Apps like Strike or River are a great place to start. River has no fees on recurring purchases, so you can purchase your $5, $10 a week and forget about it. Make simple sacrifices. Skip one coffee or one takeout meal a week. Redirect that money into Bitcoin. Small lifestyle changes today can build massive wealth tomorrow. The future is yours to build. Imagine 20 years from now, Bitcoin has become the world's reserve asset. The dollar has been inflated to smithereens. We now price all goods and services in Bitcoin. The people who started stacking today, even with small amounts, will have built life-changing wealth. Every dollar you invest in Bitcoin now is a step toward financial freedom. Don't wait to get started. Start stacking sats today. Bitcoin isn't just for the rich, it's for anyone who's ready to take control of their financial future. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's curious about Bitcoin. Let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.